Welcome. In this video, we're diving into the STAAR test and unraveling the mystery between an ECR student response scoring 1 versus 5 points. I'm Angela, the creator behind Custom Classroom by Angela. Join us as we dissect and analyze these examples to shed light on the key elements that make the difference in getting the most points you can on your ECR response. As I work through the examples, I will be using this ECR checklist to explain exactly what's required to score 5 points. Let's begin with the ECR prompt for 3rd grade. The selections reward for recycling and laws for less trash. Based on the information in the selection, write a response to the following. Explain your opinion about why people should or should not be rewarded for recycling. Let's take a look at a student example that scored 1 point. People should not be rewarded because they might not look at what they're going to throw away and put it in the wrong box. And if they do, they probably will just overfill it. So here they do get a point because they have answered the question directly that people should not be recorded. But then they're lacking on the other points because their organization does not include an introduction or conclusion, no transitions, and they don't elaborate enough to really stay on topic. They're also lacking the point for text evidence that needs to be explained, and they need to be more clear on their ideas. This is really just one long sentence. There's no points on the conventions because there is no capitalization, there's errors in punctuation and spelling. All right, let's compare it to a example that scored 5 points. I think that people should be rewarded for recycling because it encourages people to recycle more. I thought about the problem of some trash put in a recycling bin just because people want the money. I think that when recycling is taken to a place to reward people for recycling, you should check all the materials inside and make sure trash is not included there, and then send it to the recycling company. But if that doesn't work, then we should stop giving out rewards and go with reminding people repeatedly to see if that helps. The text already says that often reminders are better than rewards, so it should be good. But if in San Francisco people can recycle without the problem, everyone else should be able to too. I think that we should use both ways because they both encourage people to recycle. So here the student gets their first point on controlling idea, where they have answered their question directly, that they think people should be rewarded. Then they get the point following up on organization because they do include a very short introduction sentence and closing sentence. There aren't really any transitions, but they do strongly stay on topic. There is text evidence that they quote, as well as follow up by explaining it. And their expression of ideas throughout are pretty clear. So they receive those 3 points for that part. And then they also get their other 2 points for the conventions because they're only missing a comma. And so they just have that one punctuation error that is not impacting the clarity of their writing. You can grab a free ECR checklist now. Simply click the link in the description. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to join our exclusive custom classroom community for more valuable resources and support.